Very good morning, students. Welcome to the psychology classroom. I hope you all are fine and everybody is fine at home. I just hope you all are working hard toward your studies and doing well in your examination. So, children, yes, welcome to the psychology classroom and be ready for your examination. Prepared well. ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा प्रैक्टिस करिए एग्ज़ाम्स की which are very near to you all. So firstly I should write down the details as the board is clearly visible to you. The date is also visible, I hope. So date is today. What is the date? So the date is 18/11/21. Class is, so the class which we are discussing about is 12C. Subject psychology. Okay. Class 12C. Subject psychology. So let's do the revision. Revision कर रहे थे हम सभी. In revision part, so many things we have discussed. Right now, term 1 is very near to you all. So be practice of that one. Like you should all have some case study based questions also. Today I am going to discuss with you from chapter 1 some of the important diagrams. ठीक है, important diagrams ठीक है, important diagrams discuss करेंगे. Where I am going to discuss about Gardner's multiple intelligence theory. Okay, the topic is Gardner's multiple. So Gardner multiple intelligence theory. Gardner multiple intelligence theory. Where I am going to discuss with you the diagrammatic representation of this theory. Gardner's multiple intelligence theory. Okay, everybody write down it. Firstly, we write down about linguistic. लिंग्विस्टिक में आप लिखेंगे स्किल इन्वॉल्व इन द प्रोडक्शन एंड यूज ऑफ लैंग्वेज. लिंग्विस्टिक स्किल्स इन्वॉल्व इन द प्रोडक्शन एंड यूज ऑफ good morning. So I hope the linguistic is done. Skill involved. If it is not showing to you all that what is written properly, I am dictating you. With the help of that, you can write it down. Skill involved in the production and use of language. Skills involved in the production and use of language. Okay. Language I am going to write it down. So this is related to the linguistic. Okay. Now write down. आप इसको as a box में कर सकते हैं. ठीक है. Give it a box form. आप इसे एक box का form दे दीजिए. Then arrow. Then you write down about logical, mathematical. Okay, it is not in enough space, so I am writing over here. Don't write here, write over here. After this, another box is there, which is of logical, mathematical. Logical, mathematical. ठीक है. Here we will write down skills involved in the scientific thinking and skills involved scientific thinking and problem solving. Scientific thinking and problem solving. Scientific thinking and logical mathematical skills involved in the scientific thinking and problem solving. Then you will write down another box, clicking another box, and write down spatial. You will write down spatial. So two things are done: linguistic, logical, mathematical, spatial. The three things are done. So class I mentioned subject, date, okay, and theory. Linguistic यानी a person who have a very good command over the language. Linguistic की बात हो रही है, which is related to the language. So here I had written skills involved in the production and use of language. Similarly, logical mathematical, which is a skill involved in the scientific thinking and problem solving. Logical thinking की बात हो रही है, mathematical की बात हो रही है. Then third is the spatial, skills in forming visual images. Spatial is about skills in forming visual images and pattern. For example, decorators. Okay, जैसे interior decorators, engineers, architectures, इनमें spatial intelligence होता है. ठीक है. Next, here is not a proper space, so I'm going to rub it. I want from you all that you all will write it down properly. So you make it. I just hope you all have drawn it. आप सभी ने इसे बना लिया होगा. Okay, moving to the next. So basically three things I had discussed with you: children, linguistic, logical, mathematical, spatial. उसी के आगे आप नेक्स्ट में फिर से बॉक्स बनाएंगे. Then I'm going to write it down. Musical. क्या होगा? Musical. इसमें आप लिखेंगे sensitivity to musical rhythm and pattern. Write down sensitivity to musical rhythm, sensitivity to musical rhythm and pattern, sensitivity to musical rhythm and pattern. ठीक है, sensitivity to musical rhythm and pattern. Now म्यूजिकल के बाद आप लिखेंगे बॉडली काइनेस्थेटिक. Bodily kinesthetic, using whole or portions of the body flexibly and creatively. Using whole or portions of the body flexibly and creatively. Flexibly and creatively. ठीक है. This is related to the bodily kinesthetic and this is related to the musical. Fine. इसके बाद आप लिखेंगे interpersonal. The next block is of interpersonal. Interpersonal. Here you will write down sensitivity to the sensitivity to the subtle aspects of sensitivity to musical rhythm and pattern, using whole or portion of the body flexibly and creatively. Sensitivity to the subtle aspects of others' behavior. So there are total 8 type of intelligence which was said by the Gardner, but here I had discussed with you 6. 3 earlier I had discussed with you, and now 3 again. So there were 6. Total 8. Now write down the 2 left. I hope you all have made it. आपने इसे बना लिया होगा. Please take your time to write it down. जल्दी से आप इसे भी लिखेंगे. ठीक है. I hope you all have written it down. So आगे बढ़ेंगे. Write down the next one. Interpersonal तक आपने बना लिया था. Now we will read about the intrapersonal. Write down about the intrapersonal. ठीक है. नेक्स्ट बॉक्स आप बनाइए इंट्रापर्सनल. इंट्रापर्सनल में आप लिखेंगे अवेयरनेस ऑफ वंस ओन फीलिंग, awareness of one's own feelings, motives, awareness of one's own feeling, motives and desire. Okay, this is done. Now lastly write down about, after the interpersonal, again make an arrow and write down about naturalistic. Write down about naturalistic. Sensitivity to the features of the natural world. Write down sensitivity to the features of the natural world. Sensitivity to the features of the natural world. ठीक है. So I hope Gardner multiple intelligence theory you all have written in a tabular form, which is important for you all to note it down. Now write down the next part with the tabular form. It is the Sternberg triarchic theory. Please note down. I hope you all have noted it down. Write down the Sternberg triarchic theory. Okay. The next topic is, after the Gardner multiple intelligence theory, is Sternberg triarchic theory. So everybody write down this heading, Sternberg triarchic theory. इस heading को आप सभी को लिख लीजिए. Now आप इसमें बनाएंगे. You can make a box like this. Okay. So like this you will make the box. Make it categorized into 3 parts, 1 and 2 and 3. First part you will write down componential or analytical. componential or analytical. Then divided. Second part you will write down experiential and creative. Experiential or creative. Okay? Make it segregate also. Third, contextual or practical. Contextual or practical. Okay? Then again make the. So 3 parts have made. So first में आप लिखेंगे knowledge acquisition, metacognition and performance. So here you will write down knowledge acquisition, then metacognition, and then performance. Knowledge acquisition, metacognition, and then performance. Here you will write down using past experiences, creatively to solve problems. Using past experiences creatively to solve problems. Third, dealing with environmental demands. On a daily basis. So the 3 points are here, children. Componential or analytical, experiential or creative, and finally contextual or practical. And these are some of the characteristics. So it is a diagram of Sternberg triarchic theory. Componential, analytical, knowledge acquisition, metacognition, performance, experiential, creative, using past experiences creatively to solve problem, contextual, dealing with environmental demands on a daily basis. So is it done? Move into the next one. Okay, 3 are done. I hope you all have written it down. So आगे बढ़ेंगे. Write down the next part and the next diagram and the last diagram of this chapter. So Gardner theory we have done. We have discussed about Sternberg triarchic theory. Now we are going to discuss about the past model. So the third diagram is related to the past model. Okay? Write down the past model. In this also you will make the boxes. Okay? So it will be better for you. So write down, firstly make the first box. The box should be made like this one. And this like this short boxes are banayenge. Not so much long. Then again you will make the second box. Okay. Now again make the third box. Okay. So the 3 boxes I have made बहुत properly तो एकदम proper line में नहीं था, but somewhere it is made. So आप उसे properly with the help of scale you will draw it. Okay. Firstly आप लिखेंगे attention और arousal. The first part is the attention or arousal. Attention or arousal. This is the first part. Second part is the processing. This is a part of processing. And the third part is the planning. The third part is the planning. Okay. इसमें आप लिख लीजिए अटेंशन और अराउजल में. I am dictating it. You will write down. Arousal and attention enable a person to process information, and optimal level of arousal help us to attend to stimuli. If you want to attend any stimuli, the optimal level of arousal is must. Okay, if you want to attend any stimulus. Is it clear? So arousal and attention enable a person to process information. Write down in this one. Arousal and attention. Arousal and attention enable a person. Arousal and attention enable a person. Arousal and attention enable a person to process information. Arousal and attention enable a person to process information. To process information. To process information. Optimal level of arousal. Optimal level of arousal. Optimal level of arousal is must. Optimal level of arousal is must. ठीक है, इतना लिख लिया आप सभी ने. Write down in processing. In processing, the two kind of processing is there. One is simultaneous. Here you will write down simultaneous, and another is successive. There were two kind of processing. Third, planning. प्लानिंग क्या होता है, एंड फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल साइमल्टेनियस और सक्सेसिव प्रोसेसिंग भी क्या होती है, ये आपको क्लियर होना चाहिए. जैसे साइमल्टेनियस यानी व्हेन यू डू एनी काइंड ऑफ प्रोसेसिंग ऑल टुगेदर, मेकिंग अ सेंटेंसेस मीनिंगफुल, इंटीग्रेटिंग सो मेनी थिंग. सक्सेसिव प्रोसेसिंग व्हेन द यू डन एनीथिंग सिक्वेंशियली इन अ सीरियल ऑर्डर, दैट इज सक्सेसिव प्रोसेसिंग. So simultaneous involve the perception of relationship among various concepts and integrate them into a meaningful pattern comprehension. Successive refer to recall of information serially to the recall of one leads to the recall of another. Planning. It allows us to think of possible course of action, implement and reach a target and evaluate their effectiveness. An ineffective plan can be modified to suit the requirement of the task. So here I will write down also. आप इसे लिख लीजिए. प्लानिंग में क्या होगा? Allow us to think of. Allow us to think of possible course of action. Allow us to think of possible course of action, implement and reach a target, implement and reach a target, and evaluate their effectiveness, and evaluate their effectiveness, evaluate their effectiveness. Okay, I hope it is clear to you all. So the 3 meat diagram I had discussed with you children, you all have made it. Please take a time to write down it also, but do it fast. So here we have discussed some of the diagrammatic representation from the chapter 1. I hope you all understand it. Go through this one children. Okay, keep revising the things, it's very important for you. Or if you find any doubt, आपको लगता है कि after watching the video I am unable to understand या I am unable to listen properly, any problem if you are facing, okay, so discuss with me. I will definitely discuss with you or clear your concepts. Thank you so much children for carefully listening and observing this video. Thank you so much.